Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. Okay sweeties, this is another collaboration video with Wrapunzel. Of course, it is the tutorial for this wrap that I did actually post on the Wrapunzel community group on Facebook the other day. Not this wrap, but this wrap, this picture with my own scarves, and I asked if someone is interested, and yes, you were interested. So some of you are so cute because it's like I got the comments like, if it's on your head, you make a tutorial. And I thought that was really sweet. I actually, every time I'm posting now a picture and sort of test the waters, if someone is interested, I feel like already giving myself my own answer, which is so sweet. Okay, so thank you so much for your feedback on that one, and this is going to be what we're doing today. Now we're going to go into the tutorial, and I hope you'll enjoy that one because it is a very easy and beautiful wrap. And without further ado, I've been talking so long, but let's go right into it. Okay, hi my lovelies, welcome to the tutorial part for the Peaceful Soul wrap. And I kind of feel like the perfect scarf for having a peaceful feeling is, and I've said that before, the Petal Soft. Now this is the one in black. It comes in all kinds of different colors. I just felt a little bit more like the darker colors today, so that's why I'm rarely using black. As you probably know, I'm always really using it as a backdrop to make something else pop a little bit more, and that's basically what I'm doing here today too. Okay, so I'm going to fold it in a little bit from the get-go just to make it, it's very wide, it's a very wide scarf, so I'm just going to like fold it in a tiny little bit, and then I'm going to just basically wrap it as a regal wrap. So that is what we are going to establish here. I'm just going to cross over like this, and then as always I'm just tucking here this under my arms so I can have a bit of a pull in order to like get it really, you know, get it down really nicely. So this scarf in any color wraps like a dream. If you're a beginner, this is definitely something worth checking out. I mean, you can see that there is like nothing that goes wrong with this scarf, you know. If I could, I would get this scarf in every single color because it's just that gorgeous. Okay, so now that we have found our happy place gushing about scarves, I'm just going to finish off wrapping this, and this is the regal wrap, and honestly I feel like I could stay like this for today. But anyway, I wanted to of course show you how I'm creating that look. So for that I'm going to take two thinner scarves, and I want to encourage you to maybe not try to use something like a super big voluminous pashmina because it makes it really hard and it can look a little bit off. So I'm going to use an original 2-in-1, which is an orange, a very nice bright orange. And if you're new here, maybe you don't know, the original 2-in-1s also come in a lot of colors, and they're a little bit more sheer, as you maybe can see my body through it a little bit, and they are perfect because they don't add a lot of bulk, they don't add a lot of weight, but they add this special pop of color if you want that. Or you can also use 6 of them and still don't have a lot of weight on your head, you know. So this is one that I'm using, and then I've used that recently too, but what can I do? I need this for my color scheme. This is the sari scarf in red. This is how it looks. All the sari scarves are absolutely unique, so just so you know, if you're ordering one, it might not look exactly like mine. Okay, so I'm just going to line them up. And again, I'm just going to hold it like this with my fingers here, like with my, I think, index finger, I don't know how it's called in English, the index finger in between them in order to separate them. I found already now for a couple of weeks that that is a technique that really helps me personally. Let me know if you've tried it and if it helps you too. Maybe it's just me. But anyway, so I'm going to line that up behind my head. And as of right now, they're hanging down on both sides equally. Now I'm going to decide where I'm going to have my knot, where I'm going to have my knot. Okay, so that is going to be here about like 11 o'clock. Is that 11 or 1 o'clock for you? I don't know, like a little bit off center, you know, something like that. So I'm going to shift the whole thing a little bit so I will have the middle here. Do you know what I mean? I hope you know what I mean. Okay, so now I'm just going to tie a knot here. like that. And we're almost done. Seriously, this is how easy it is. So I'm just going to now swirl them like this, like twist them around each other, and I'm going to do that in a very loose way. Don't do it like super tight unless this is what you're going for, but I'm going to do it like really loosely in order to not lose the volume, because I do want the volume, but like not an over exaggerated kind of a volume that I would get if I were to use a pashmina. Okay, so now I have it like this, and I'm just going to tuck it away right here. And this is seriously all it is. That's all. Yeah, and I think it's just super pretty, and I think you can see that with two pretty, you know, small scarves, really, the sari scarf and the two-in-one, you can really create a lot of volume, because in this part you have 4 strands going together of those smaller scarves. So in the end, at the end of the day, you do have more volume because you're using all 4 of them in the same place. So yeah, I really like this wrap, and let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm just going to turn around. As always, I have no idea how I look from the back. I hope it's halfway decent. Okay, so this is how it looks from the top. And I'm super thrilled with it, with this wrap. So anyway, sweeties, let me know what you think. If you're trying it, then please tag me, and if you're uploading pictures. And of course, if you want to order something from Wrapunzel, then you can use my discount code, which is Queen Leorah, in one word, in all caps. And everything that I've been using will be, of course, linked in the description box, as well as Wrapunzel's social media, the contact and everything. So you will have an easy time to find everything. All right, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. If you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. I would really love to have you here. So if you're watching me on my channel, then I'm going to see you here tomorrow. If you're watching me on the Wrapunzel channel, then you'll see me at some point, probably in a week's time, or maybe, I don't know. So anyway, whenever that may be, I'm always happy to have you and be here for you and with you, and we're all in this together, and my blessings and hugs go to all of you. And don't forget to sparkle, because that is really, you know, even if we're confined in isolation, we can still do that. You know, that's basically, I feel like, the only thing that I can still do, can sparkle for myself and for my family, and that is what I guess it is. All right, sweeties, I love you so much. Thank you for being here, and up until next time, hugs and kisses. Bye.